Doing an oil change on a 2004 Toyota Corolla LE. It has about 400,000, well, over 400,000 miles. I can't tell you exactly how many miles it has because the odometer stopped at $299.99, and I bought it used for like $2 grand, and I've done a little bit to it. And this car is, you can't kill it. This car is you can't kill it. I mean, I've put over 100,000 miles on it since I've had it, so I couldn't tell you the exact mileage, but this is the stuff I'm using. And there's my neon right here, my neon, and it's a, if I remember right, it's a 14mm socket for the drain plug, and I got some gloves and oil filter, Purelator Boss 20,000 mile oil filter, and then Castrol Edge high mileage synthetic 5W30. I don't know if you can see that. There's a all over me. There's the drain plug. Right there. It's kind of getting dark, so I'm not sure how much y'all can see, but I kind of waited a little bit so I wouldn't be burned up out here, because the heat index the last couple of weeks has been over 100 degrees, so I was kind of waiting for the temperature to drop a little bit before I did it, because I didn't want to burn up out here. Yeah, I'm losing daylight. I probably should have done it like maybe an hour sooner, but I think I waited too long, so I'm hoping that I can get this done before it gets dark. It's already, I don't really have much time. It's already starting to get dark. But I was trying to beat the heat, so. Just waiting for the oil to drain a little bit. And then I take the oil filter off, put the oil filter on. Oil changes are pretty easy. All you do is take a drain plug out, oil filter off, put a new oil filter on, drain plug back in, put new oil in it. And that's pretty much it. Well, you have to, I've always been told to take your finger and run like some of the new oil around the seal on the oil filter before you put it back on there so it seals when you tighten it up. But other than that, it's pretty easy. You just, what takes the most time is draining the oil and waiting for it to drain. It takes about probably like 15 minutes total. As long as you got the tools, you can get it done pretty quick. And I know most people, they like to cut the video and like edit it and just cut out what's being done. I just probably do like the full drain because people don't usually show that. But I don't even know if y'all can see it because it's already starting to get dark, so I don't have a light. But I can see what I'm doing, I'm just not sure y'all can. I mean, I do have a light. I have a headlamp thing, but it's in the car. I have to go dig it out and get it. It's going to drop to drip, so put this drain plug back in. Take this glove off, so I might probably put another one back on, but take this glove off, so when I grab this socket, I'm not getting oil everywhere, all over me and all over the socket. 14mm socket, 2004 Toyota Corolla LE. And you don't have to get this tight, you just have to get it, I mean like super tight, just get it snug and that's it. Because if you tighten it too much, you'll strip the threads. Oil filter off. I don't know if I can get this in my hand. I might have to go up in my trunk and get that oil filter tool to break it loose. Oh, it's coming loose. Just took a little while. Just a freaking oil can. And there's the oil filter. Gotta let this drain a minute and then clean off where I took the oil filter out. Clean off the surface where the new oil filter attaches to the bottom of the engine, like the part where the oil filter seals. And just use no oil and run your finger around the ring on the oil filter and then tighten it up by hand. You don't need a wrench or anything. Just get it as tight as you can by hand, and then it will seal. And then put oil in it and put the oil cap back on it, and you're done. It's pretty much done now. All I gotta do is just put the new oil filter on it and clean off where the old oil filter was at, and that's it. I gotta hurry though, because I'm running out of light. Here's a new oil filter. Purelator Boss, 20,000 miles. I've already put the oil on the ring. Without hitting my elbow, I'm just trying to do. Alright, I cleaned off the surface in the bottom of the engine where the oil filter goes. Now all I gotta do is screw it in there and put new oil in it. And I am done. It's that easy, guys. Let me get this damn thing to start. There we go. Using this rag because well, my hands still have oil on them. I'm trying to. This is what I use. I mean, you could use a wrench or a socket. It doesn't really matter. This is a 14mm socket that I got from Lowe's. It's a what is Lowe's brand? Cobalt? Yeah, it's Cobalt. Just a string a little more. Right. And that's pretty much it. Thank y'all for watching. It's, like I said, it's done got dark out here. I just barely beat the night time. So thank y'all for watching. Please like and subscribe.